Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Asma and you are watching Brutally Honest. Today I will be making Shadi Wala red chicken. This dish is particularly served in Hyderabadi weddings. It is paired mostly with naan. So without any delay, let's get started. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do. It means a lot. I do keep posting videos on parenting, lifestyle hacks, simple cooking, fashion, makeup and much more. All the ingredients will be listed on the screen, so do read it. Now I would like to put up a disclaimer that this is not a पक्का रेसिपी ऑफ शादी वाला रेड चिकन बिकॉज वहाँ के बावर्चियों को ही पता है कि एक्चुअली उसमें जाता क्या है. सो दिस इज जस्ट एन इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द रेसिपी ऑफ व्हाट could be there and I have just tried my best to match up to the taste. So I hope you like this video. This is a super simple recipe. आप ये कभी भी बना सकते हैं. अगर आपके घर पे गेस्ट्स आ रहे हैं, आप कुछ ऐसा बनाना चाहते हैं जो टेस्टी है, यमी है, थोड़ा सा फैंसी है, तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस रेसिपी. आप रिग्रेट नहीं करेंगे. इट टेस्ट दैट गुड एंड जितना मुझे लगता है दिस काइंड ऑफ इज very close to how it actually tastes. जो शादी वाला रेड चिकन का जो टेस्ट है, it is quite close to it. So do try it. So as you can see, I'm adding all of the ingredients into the chicken. आपको इसमें बस सारे ingredients को add करना है सिवाय fried onions के, and just give it a nice mix and keep it aside for as long as you like. आप इसको overnight रख सकते हैं, 2 hours रख सकते हैं, 1 hour रख सकते हैं, 30 minutes रख सकते हैं. आपको जितनी भी देर चाहे आप रख सकते हैं. Another tip I want to give you, इस रेसिपी में do add good amount of oil, क्योंकि ये जो रेसिपी है only and only when the oil starts floating on top, that's when the actual taste of the recipe comes. So इसमें कंजूसी ना करें. ऑयल अच्छे से डालें and use the oil you have used to fry your onions because it has a very good taste. So do not do कंजूसी with your oil in this recipe. I'm adding, as you can see, I'm adding more oil. So इसको अच्छे से ऐड करें, मैरिनेट करके छोड़ दीजिए. मैंने 3 hours के लिए इसको मैरिनेट किया था. आप जितना भी चाहे आप इसको मैरिनेट कर सकते हैं. After 3 hours, I'll get back to you and we'll start off with cooking. Now I have switched on the flame. As you can see, I have how well the chicken has been marinated. One more thing, इस recipe के लिए do try to take medium size pieces because your chicken is going to cook for longer. Now all you have to do is you need to switch on the flame, put it on high for about 30 minutes and let it cook. After 30 minutes, this is how your chicken will look. Toss it well. So remember to take medium size pieces because this recipe asks you to cook your chicken for longer. So अगर आप small size के लेंगे तो वो पूरा टूट जाएगा chicken. So take big size pieces. Now after about 45 minutes of cooking, I have taken the fried onions and I'm adding it to the chicken. आप ऐड करें और अच्छे से टॉस करें. This is the secret ingredient of the recipe. This is going to give that authenticity to your Shadi Wala red chicken. I'm adding pinch of garam masala, about 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'm going to mix it up well. Now I was out of sabit garam masala and as such I do not enjoy sabit garam masala a lot. तो मैं garam masala powder ही use करती हूँ because it's light on your tummy and it doesn't give a very strong garam masala flavor. But if you do like it, आप साबित गरम मसाला भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. That is whole गरम spices भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. There is no issue. उसको अच्छे से मिक्स करें एंड उसका फ्लेम लो कर दे एंड लेट इट कुक फॉर अबाउट 5 minutes more and then it's ready to serve. After 5 minutes, you can see how the oil is floating on top. Now what you have to do is you need to take the oil. You need to take a spoon and remove the oil from the chicken. About 1 small katori of oil you need to remove and keep it aside, and we'll use it for the garnish. Now the chicken is ready to serve. As you can see, I have added the chicken in a bowl. Now I'm taking the same oil I have been cooking it that has been cooking in the chicken, and I'm garnishing it. So it's done. Enjoy. Now let's start with the Zeera rice recipe. All the ingredients will be listed on the screen for you to get a better idea of the measurements. So यहाँ पे you can see I have taken cooked rice. Now take a big kadai or a wok, whatever you have in hand, and add oil. I am adding the leftover fried onion oil to my pan or my kadai. And now I'm going to add lots of Zeera. So about 2 tablespoons of Zeera आप उसमें add कर दे. साथ ही you can add your slit green chilies. I am using about 2 to 3 green chilies. आप ज़्यादा भी use कर सकते हैं. You are not going to use any chili powder, so you can be generous with your green chilies if you like a Zeera rice to be a lot more spicy. But because I am pairing my Zeera rice with the red chicken, I wanted my Zeera rice to be simple and subtle in flavor. इसलिए मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ भी ऐड नहीं किया है. Now you can go ahead and use basmati rice for this recipe because ज़्यादातर basmati use करते हैं, but I am using my normal Sona Masuri rice, and the reason why I have done that is for you guys to understand कि हर चीज़ glamorous होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हर चीज़ fancy होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बेसिक घर की बेसिक चावल से भी आप ज़ीरा राइस भी बना सकते हैं, बिरयानी भी बना सकते हैं. सब पर्टिकुलरली नहीं है कि आप कुछ भी मतलब वही रहना चाहिए कुछ रेसिपी बनाने के लिए. So I've also added curry leaves with my green chilies, and I'm sauteing it for about a minute. And once you see your green chilies fried, you can add the onions. Now this is about 1 medium sliced onion. Mix it well. So ज़ीरा राइस में अनियंस पे ज़्यादा कलर आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस लाइट एकदम ही like corners, the edges of your onions have to turn a little brown. That's when you can go ahead and add your rice. Now I have already added salt while cooking the rice, so I am not adding any salt. But if you haven't added any salt in your rice, then at this stage you can add salt. Now I'm adding the rice. अच्छे से राइस को ऐड करें and mix it. After mixing your rice well, put the flame on low and let it simmer. Basically आपको दम करना है जब तक कुछ भी जो excess water है वो ना निकल जाए, आपके evaporate ना हो जाए. So let it keep it for dum on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now after 5 to 6 minutes, as you can see how beautifully our Zeera rice has been cooked, fluffy, tasty, light. Enjoy this with a good serving of your Shadiwala red chicken, and do let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed it. Do like, share and subscribe. If you're not following me on my Instagram handle, go ahead and follow me there at brutallyhonest.17. Enjoy, take care. Bye-bye.